Have you ever wanted to make the perfect fish dish but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you the tips and tricks you need to know to make the perfect fish dish every time. Hi everyone! I'm here to show you how to make the perfect fish dish. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, I'm sure you'll learn something new from this video. 1. Start by selecting the right type of fish. Different types of fish have different flavors and textures, so it's important to choose the right one for your dish. 2. Next, make sure you season your fish properly. A simple seasoning of salt and pepper can go a long way in bringing out the flavor of the fish. 3. When cooking the fish, it's important to use the right cooking method. Depending on the type of fish, you may want to bake, fry, or grill it. 4. Finally, make sure you don't overcook the fish. Overcooking can make the fish dry and tough, so it's important to keep an eye on it while it's cooking. Now that you know the tips and tricks for making the perfect fish dish, you can impress your friends and family with your cooking skills. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more cooking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more cooking tips and tricks. You'll get 2 videos every day for free.